Hi, I'm Michelle Last and I'm sharing with you my interactive mini album. It's a slightly different shape than normal, so it's sort of the Instagram shape. It's the portrait opening, and it can take, as you can see on the example I've just flipped over the page there, that's a 4x6 photo. So it can take 4x6s, 4x4s, and then you can also make them smaller within that too. It has so many openings, folds and flaps that I've actually managed to get over 40 photographs in this mini album. I've kept all the photos black and white. I think that creates some uniformity through the album rather than the colours shouting for attention as you're looking through the page. It just makes it more cohesive. And I've used the beautiful Ordinary Life paper from Stampin Up. Why I was attracted to that, it's got lovely muted tones on one side and in colour, but on the other side of the pattern paper are black and white monochromatic patterns, which I felt lent themselves really well to the album, and then I could add a pop of colour with some accents rather than letting too much colour. I didn't want to distract from the photos. So you can see I've used smaller photos here, and I've added an edging on the edge of the little 3 flaps. That was from the Bordered in Beauty dies from Stampin' Up, and it's such a great versatile die set. I used it a lot in this album, and it was fun to be able to use all the different edges rather than just sticking to one edge. So I have used, as I mentioned, the 4x6 portrait photos, but I also used 4x4, like you can see in the image there. Now you may be wondering, how do you get 4x4 photos, because they're probably expensive or not easy to get unless you've got a selfie printer. I just choose 4x6 photos in the portrait orientation, and I make sure the detail of the photo that I want is in the top part of the photo, so that when the photos arrive I just cut off the bottom 2 inches, so I take away any detail I don't need, and that way I can make them 4x4 very inexpensively. So I've also used the banner dies to create these lovely opening banners, and I'm a big journaling fan, so I've added detail and more and journaling hidden away under the pages. I hope you enjoyed it. It was so much fun to make with my team. Do leave me a comment and let me know what you think.